guys, in today's video I will tell you how you can join a social investment network. Social investment networks allow you to collaborate with other traders, make informed trades, and use online tools to track all of your stocks in index funds and cryptocurrency. Here are some of the best social investment networks. Personal Capital is on the list, commonly known as the wealth management of the internet age. In the trading circles, Personal Capital helps you in your financial investments through an intelligent, data-driven management approach. Some of its key features include allow users to have a clear, real-time view of their entire financial life, provide smart insights, and help you predict your financial future, offers full financial planning. Another side is Credible. They claim to be a trustworthy source for comparing rates, and rightly so. And the best part is that you get instant and accurate results without paying a single dime. It is most helpful for students searching for loans, as it specializes in helping them find the best possible option. Credible also helps students get better deals and find reference their loan. And we also have another topic here: how you can build a blog for affiliate marketing. Starting a blog is not new advice, but the traditional path to riches recommends launching a blog, growing your traffic, and adding Google AdSense ads on your site. Sure, the strategy can work, but ads can be annoying to your audience if misused, which is why so many people choose ad blocking tools instead of relying on ads, which require a ton of page views and search engine mastery. Try more natural selling with the newest affiliate program to monetize your site. Some affiliate programs pay per lead. If your site has relevant traffic in the finance or home improvement niches, many of these companies will pay for leads you send them. For example, roofing companies and other contractors are always looking for new local customers. Then you can also start creating and selling your digital products on your website and get other affiliates to promote you. For example, you can offer your loyal followers podcasts, videos, tutorials, magazines, and subscriptions. You can also sell your ebooks, templates, guidelines, online calculators, software programs, or a membership site. A digital product you can think up and create can be sold to your audience as long as it provides them with real value. The key is to the key is to get started on a WordPress with a web hosting company like Bluehost. Next, begin generating content and generating backlinks with guest blogging to build up your domain authority, DA that is, and traffic. Ramit Sethi Ramesh Sethi's website, I Will Teach You to Be Rich, is a prime example of understanding how to grow and monetize a niche blog. And through digital products, he offers a mix of free and paid resources to his readers, include, including workbooks, guides, ebooks, and online courses. Use a tool like Google Keyword Planner to help you understand potential traffic for different niches ideas, while the forecast impression result use data from paid ads. They work as a great indicator for whether or not a niche will be accessible. Once you've chosen your niche, select a reliable and affordable host platforms such as Bluehost and set up your WordPress site. Then all you need to do is start creating great blog posts and offering your reviews and digital products everywhere. However, to make real amount of money with this approach, it can take years. And that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.